Welcome, today I'm with Marshall Minor 2 wireless earphones and I'll show you how you can connect them with your Apple Watch. So at first you have to focus on this plastic part. You have to turn it like that. Take a look. Here you can find the small indicator. It's near to the micro USB port. And we have to click and hold this gold button for 5 seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the blue color. Of course, you have to be sure that they are turned off. So let's click and hold. Right now, indicator flash on the white and it changed to the blue. So right now we can read this. Right now our Marshall Minor 2 are in the pairing mode. So we have to grab our Apple Watch, open the settings, scroll to the Bluetooth. As you can see on the available devices list, we can find Minor 2. So tap on them once. As you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So you can tap on the information icon, where you can disconnect or unpair them. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.